Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to edit bio on your Facebook page, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit your bio on your Facebook page, first open up your Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which your Facebook page has been linked. Now after logging into your account on your Facebook app, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icons over there with our profile picture icon on a small circle just below the messenger icon. Tap on that menu icon, and over here guys you can see at the top of the screen or the top of the list just below the menu there is my name of this account, and just at the right side of this there is a drop down arrow. Tap on that drop down arrow first, and over here all of your pages available on your account will be available over here on this section. Now tap or go to the page on which you want to edit your bio. Now after switching into the page on which you want to edit your bio, let's go back to the home. And on this page guys, at the home of this page, at again the top left corner of the screen just below the home icon, just tap on your page's profile icon over here just at the left side of what's on your mind. And over here guys, you'll be on the profile section of your page where you can see there is an edit button just below the add to story, and just at the right side of the manage, tap on edit. And over here guys, scroll down a little bit and you can see there is the bio section available for us. Tap on the edit on the bio section and again tap on edit bio. And over here guys, you can see you can use about 101 words to describe your bio about this page, and I have already typed in how to tutorial page for beginners, I guess, and this is how you edit your bio, but I'll be just writing how to tutorial because this is my current or the bio I had written page. So let's add something over here, and after that at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the save button available for us. Again at the top right, tap on that save button, and guys you can see our bio has been edited. And there guys, this is how you edit a bio on your Facebook page. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.